How to fix any missing network adapter in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And if your network adapter is missing in Windows 11 and if you cannot connect to internet, in this video I will show you step by step how you can fix it to get it back. So let's dive into this video. First of all, check if the adapter is hidden. So you have to open up your device manager. Click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Device Manager, open it in your device. After that, click on View from this menu bar at the top left corner, and here you have to click on Show Hidden Devices. After that, you can expand your network adapter and check if you can find it there. Click on Network Adapter, and if your device is grayed out under this, or if your network adapter is grayed out, you have to right click on it and then click on Enable. Once you do that, go back and check if your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to reinstall the network adapter manually. In Device Manager again, network adapter, right click on any of your existing network adapter, select Uninstall device, and make sure that you check the delete the driver software for this device if the options appear. Once you do that, now you could close your device manager. Then you have to restart your PC. After that, Windows will automatically reinstall the correct devices, and that may help you solve your problem. If it is still not working, then you can download the latest network drivers from your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's website using another device. Then transfer it via USB and then install them manually on your device. And that's it. Now your network adapter should be back and working in no time. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.